Anyways, you look are you like Brazilian for real? You don't look Brazilian to be honest. You look like Mediterranean.
Really? I don't think so.
You're Brazilian?
I'm Brazilian, 100% Brazilian. I like your hairstyle. Pretty cool.
Oh, what do you mean pretty cute? It's like wavy ass hair. That's like thank you. I appreciate it. And also, if you see it, my hair is not even because I randomly cut it last night
Ah, you cut
and
by yourself.
yeah, and yeah, I'm regretting my life decision right now for cutting it. Mm. Now you can talk about yourself. How many ex you have?
How many ex girlfriends?
Yeah, ex-girlfriend.
Three.
Your body count is three or more than three.
Body count.
Oh wait. Is it normal in Brazil to ask those questions or not? No.
First conversation. I don't think so, but it's okay.
Oh no, I mean online. Oh, okay, it's not normal pala. Sorry, my bad.
It is normal in
I got you.
Philippines.
Okay. Continue talking. Sorry.